Hello everybody, welcome back to iCommute Gaming. Today we're doing something different. We're doing an unboxing video, and as you can see we have a 6T Fifine. So without further ado, let's get to it. So we're going to open it here and see what we got. First we have a lovely little explanation booklet here. That's what it's going to look like together, A6T. And then here's what we have. It's boxed really nice, you gotta say that. Like, it really looks good. We have a USB cord for it. We have our pop screen, we have our mic itself, looks pretty good quality, and then we have our clamp, which is metal by the way, so that's good to know it's not plastic. That's going to be useful. And then if we pull this out, we have our arm, and so that's going to be what we're going to be playing with for the next few minutes. I'll just put it back over here, and this is what we're going to have fun with here later. Let's put it together and see how it works. And in less than a minute we have it all put together here. This is what it looks like. There's the pop screen, there's the mic head, there's a connection there. As you can see, the USB goes in the back. Decent amount of cord. I mean, you couldn't be completely at the other side of the room, but why would you want that anyways? And then this is what our clamp looks like. It's all metal, and then your stand sits in there. You can lock it in. It's pretty versatile really if you think about it. It can bend quite a few ways. You can have it low. This thing can spin this way. You can go quite high. Looks pretty good. So how about we see what it actually sounds like. This is what our original audio sounded like using just regular Realtek headphones with a mic attached. So this is what it sounds like on our new microphone. So as you can see, it's definitely louder, even though I have the volume turned to about half. So if I really wanted to crank out the volume, it'd probably redline. And it sounds a lot fuller and deeper, and this is with no filters. I haven't added anything. This is straight out of the box. So I think it definitely sounds way better. So I'm interested to see how it's going to sound once I start doing some games and whatnot. So if you enjoyed this video, why don't you watch some of my other videos, and then you'll get to see this microphone in action.